Here's a train coming. Here's a train coming. I think I can hear its engine already.
Huh?
I can hear its engine already. And also, why is it just a single light? They're supposed to have 3 lights. It's just
It looks like a single light.
Maybe it's coming backwards. 3,
Possibly.
2, 1, go! Stupid arms are gonna activate now. Cover your ears, girl, if I can hear the... Cover your ears. Keep going backwards.
Looks like it.
It's a single...
It's a single engine.
Yeah, but why did it take it so...
It's a single engine.
What? What do you want on that? What the hell? It's cows and sitting south. That's not Union Pacific. That's not Union Pacific.
And it's a single one.
It's not Union Pacific.
Wow, that's weird.
But
that was quick.
That wasn't Union Pacific.
I didn't even notice.
Oh, look at the light. He's on. See, the front lights are on.
The 3 lights on now.
I don't know why. You can hear its bell ringing. You can hear its bell ringing. But Grandpa, that was not Union Pacific at all. That wasn't Union Pacific.
What was it?
It was Kansas City, Mexico, I believe.
I didn't even know. Didn't.
Also, why did the horn did not last long?
Hey, what time is it?
Oh no, yeah, I'm recording the video.
9 o'clock. Hey, I gotta watch you.
Yeah, look at there goes a single light.
6 o'clock.
Looks like the train's coming.
7:56.
But instead the time's going backwards.
7:56. We better go.
I want to hear its horn though.
Huh?
I want to hear its horn. Go all the way till over there. That was not Union Pacific at all.
I gotta go to the truck. That's it.
Hey, come back here.
That's it, baby.
I'm trying to wait for a horn by the other cross. Why does it honk it like single? It go like dun, 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 but it doesn't go like dun, dun. Strange, but I don't know why it didn't honk its horn for that long. Maybe it's a test driving, or maybe it's going to get freight.
I don't know.
Maybe it's gonna go get freight. That's why it looks like it was going backwards. Maybe it was going to load freight or something. Do you think it was going to load freight?
No idea.
Maybe it is. Maybe that's why it's going backwards. There might be a chance. That was ridiculous. Whoa.